a tree so high with the sky so blue lived a mama bird and her baby too. Chirp, chirp, sang Mama. It's a lovely day. Time to learn to flap and fly away. Baby bird shook. Peep, peep. I'm small, but you are strong. Mama called, stretch your wings and hop, hoppity hop. Then a swoosh and a swoop, I can fly, don't you stop. With a flip, flap and a swoop, swoop sound. Baby bird lifted off the ground. Flap, flap, flutter, flutter, wee, wee, whoosh. Flap, flap, flutter, flutter, fly with a swoosh. Baby bird wobbled. Peep, I'm shy. Mama chirped gently. Just try, try, try.